Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to order grocery delivery using DoorDash. If you don't have a DoorDash account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $5 off of your first order. We will also put links in the description below for similar food delivery apps for you to sign up. To start, open the website DoorDash.com. Then click on Sign In. To sign in, enter your email address on the field provided. Then click on the button that says Continue to sign in. Next, you could choose to receive a one-time code to the phone number associated to your account. But if you wish to use a password, click on Use Password instead. Then enter your password. And click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Grocery. Now, browse or search for the item you wish to buy. Next, click on the Add button under the item you prefer. At the upper right part, you will see the item you added to your cart. You could also change the quantity by using the plus icon. If you wish to add more, just repeat the previous process. Once done, click on Checkout. On the checkout page, you may now select the delivery time, payment method, add or apply a promo code, as well as choose a tip amount for the dasher. If everything's settled, click on Place Order. That's how you order grocery delivery using DoorDash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.